Hello guys, so once again we are into the Picoworkers. So simply guys, I'm gonna remember you about these Picoworkers. So simply, Picoworkers is a website where you can earn some bucks completing service. So that's what simply Picoworkers means. Guys, today freshly I'm going to show you on how to register on this website. So let us begin. Click the sign up button, right? So make sure to give your real name, right? So you can type here your real name, example David, right? So this is my real name, right? And make sure your password must contain letters, right? And all the other stuff like letters, symbols, mixing of letters, right? So it will be more secure for you. So I'll be entering a password, okay? So I will type my kind of name, right? So I'll type as David. You can select your country. I'm a worker, right? So make sure to type as I'm a worker, and then make sure to click this first one, right? And sign up, right? Okay guys, so now we successfully gave our name, our email address, and also password, and successfully now we have logged in. And make sure guys, I didn't show that once you are sign up, right, you will be receiving an email, right? So make sure to go to your mail and verify it, right? After that you can switch to your dashboard. So now we are in the Picoworkers dashboard. So guys, simply I'm going to explain you how this is happening, right? So you can see here small works, right? So this is my profile, and you can find jobs, right? So make sure to turn this to an employer, right? If you switch to this, it will be switch to a worker, right? It means you can post jobs, and you can pay Picoworkers and make your works done, right? So it is also an easy way, right, to complete your own jobs, right? So today I'm going to explain you about this as a worker, right? To our main aim is to earn some money from this, right? Okay, now you can see here, right? So I'm clicking this, right? And make sure to okay, fine, give some more information about us, right? So I'm giving my one, right? So randomly I'm giving one, and the date will be 5th of 8 2002, right? And as a city, a closest city to you, right, will be giving, right? Okay, fine. And a security question, and just I'll be giving those stuffs, right? So first pet will be given like cat, okay, right, fine. Now finish job, submit the proof, right? So sidewalk add extensions, easy job, desktop users only. So what we need to do is, guys, so here is what is expected from the worker. This job is only for desktop and laptop, right? So go to, first you have to click this. So I'm explaining you how to complete this task, okay? Right, paste it here and go to this, right?
What is up, guys? Welcome back to Tech Troll with a brand new video for you guys today. And so today I'm going to be going through this website called swagbucks.com and showing you how this thing works. And basically it's a great way to make money, and I've made a lot on this. So
we are in this link.
Currently,
after that they have told click the link in the description and add swag button to your browser, right? So go to the link. So here the link, click it. So as they have stated, so and get it on Chrome, Mozilla, or Microsoft Edge. Sign up and verify your email address. Try to create a long name to quickly find the register and pay for you. Example, Maria Clara, right? Do not uninstall the extension. You will get a bonus of SB. After 30 days, and you can withdraw it by PayPal, right? Okay, fine. So Swagbuck, right? Simply what you can do is, guys, get it on Chrome. So I'm explaining you how can you complete this easy, right? So I'm using this email, right? I'm checking it, add extension, right? So fine, right?
Many surveys here, and this is completely legit, and I can show you my past history. Look, this is a really legit.
Right. Right. So I'm going to give the email address.
And you can also get rewards for doing these surveys as well as swag. I personally don't do many surveys because it's not the fastest way. Fastest way for me is Discover. Discover are many brands like
I'll go to your email.
Different credit cards, different games. These are the ones paying.
Right, your email is loading now. So guys, right, go here, go to the website, and create your
you can do as well on those. And now you come down here, you see AdGem, AdGate. These are different websites which are ready to give $50, $40, $82 for finishing the things in them. And so
just giving a random address, okay?
It's an in-store deal. This is one I take big advantage of. You go shopping, right, and you already buy eggs and bread. So you click add to my list, and you upload your receipt. And so you can say where you shopped. So I'd say I went to Target, right? And you click next, and all you do is upload your receipt.
So we are done, right? Important record proof that was finished. Your swag username, right? Your swag username. We go here.
You add that, and you see where did you get your milk? Like, I don't know if it gets any easier than this, but yeah, these are very easy sites, quick things, and then it gets special. Like, you guys all get laundry detergent, but you know you get 12 dollars for buying laundry detergent. I definitely take advantage of this one. Another one is shop. Cashback on anything you buy. Whenever I go online, I always use it for cashback. I mean, I'm going to be doing many purchases this year, especially because we're all online. So this is something to take advantage of. There's in-store cashback, but there's also normal cashback and the featured cashback. Especially some sites like Norton VPN, 70% cashback, or some frequent stores like Home Depot is giving 8% cashback.
Right, and swag username, swag full name, and screenshot the page. Right.
If you'd like to do this, you can. Like, this is 5 SB, which is around 5 cents for watching videos.
Screenshot the page.
Another thing you can do.
Balance should be more than 18 SB, right?
And refer and earn.
More than 18 SB, right?
Description. And you get 300 swagbucks, which is $3 just for signing up. And if you're too lazy to do stuff, you can just use that link and buy $3 gift card. So if I search something up like YouTube.
So guys, it's simple like this, right? So after that you can simply submit proof, click this, right? Proof here, and choose the file and type a comment and submit the proof. So it's simple. So I'm going to show that. So if you are like you can easily earn from this. And also guys, make sure not only that, there's another option in Picoworkers, guys. It's the affiliate program. It's super easy, guys, because
if you have something already linked in,
here's the affiliate program, right? So account section, you can simply click the link and share with your friends and may tell them to sign up, right? And you will be receiving a recurring commission on this. So I will be doing a separate tutorial on that. So until today, have a nice day. Let's meet again.